Hello. Hi. 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 Buang lang. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and pag hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please hit the subscribe button, and kung gusto mo tong video na to, please click the like button. If di mo nagustuhan ng video na to, ewan ko sa iyo. Ngayon ay gagawa ako ng 10 facts about me. So, ang mga question ko dito ay galing sa Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram. So, meron akong 10 questions. So, isa-isahin natin ito, okay? First question. Complete name. Complete name? My name is Anthony Francisco. And why TammyKikoy daw? TammyKikoy kasi when I was in high school, I used the nickname Tam 12, 2013. Kasi sa panahon na yon, uso pa yung MIRC. Yung chatting, parang batch ng Yahoo Messenger. Tapos Kikoy kasi sa Bisaya, Tambo Kikoy. And ngayon ako ay Tambok, may mataba. Kaya siya naging TammyKikoy. Birthday. My birthday is on December 20. Pero sa birth ko guys, it's January 20 kasi na-late siya ng registration. Supposedly, it should be December 20. Pero legally, sa birth, January 20. So, pina-follow ko na lang yung January 20 guys para walang problema. Number 3. Work. I have 2 works. Meron akong work sa day. Meron din akong work sa night. So work, sa day naman, I am a Korean translator. Annyeonghaseyo. And sa night naman is lead researcher. So para siyang nagre-research ng lead ng mga information. Number 4. Status. I am married with 2 kids. Girl and a boy. Yung pinapakita ko sa mga vlogs ko, yun. Asawa ko at mga anak. I'm not available anymore. Number 5. Who inspired you to do YouTube? Who inspired me to do YouTube? Dati, nag-upload na ako ng videos mga year 2013. Pero dinilit ko sila kasi I don't like the videos. I officially started my YouTube channel on December 20. My birthday. 2017, last year. And yung number 1 na nag-inspire sa akin is Chinky Tita. Hindi man ako makarelate sa mga makeup tutorial niya, pero nakaka-relate ako sa daily vlogs niya. Second is Chito Samuntina. It's a local YouTuber here. Not YouTuber. A local influencer here in Davao. So more on Facebook siya guys, hindi sa YouTube. Isa din yan siya. Third, Purple Aries. 4th, Uncludes. 5th, Lloyd Cadena. 6th, Jomi Hospital. Malaya Makaraeg. Dudong Dave. Yung mga Bisaya ng mga YouTuber guys. They inspired me. Kasi pag nakikita ko mga videos nila, I feel like I need to do this. I need to make some videos. I want to be like them someday. Char. 6. Favorite hobby. Ginagawa ko from office, puntang bahay. Pagdating ko sa bahay first is nanonood ako ng mga videos nila Chinky Tita, Purple Aries, and Clues. They do make up tutorials guys, but I do not watch their tutorials. I only watch yung mga daily vlogs nila about their family kasi nakaka-relate din kami. Pagdating dun sa bahay, first nanonood ng mga vlogs nila, and then nag-edit ng videos. After that, nag-check na ng mga feeds ko sa work, paggabi. So I only work 1 to 2 hours every night sa aking part-time job. Kaya medyo okay din naman. Number 7. Camera you use. When I started YouTube in December 2017, 2017. That was the time I bought Canon G7X Mark II. So binili ko siya kasi I will do videos and I will do YouTube. So nag-invest ako ng camera. Kasi kadalasan naman na sinasabi nila yung camera for beginners would be Canon G7X Mark II. But pwede din naman gumamit ng cellphone kung okay yung resolution ng camera niyo. Editing tool. Sa editing tool, matagal akong naghanap, mga almost 2 weeks din. First, try ko yung Premiere Pro, pero nahihirapan ako. Then I found Sony Vegas, pero 10 na version. Sony Vegas Pro 10. Kasi medyo okay siyang gamitin. But this coming Saturday, meron akong ate na klase for video editing. So we will be studying Premiere Pro CS6. Yes, this Saturday. Sana matuloy para makapag-shift na ako ng editing tool at para updated yung editing tool ko. And para mas better yung mga effects ko. Number 9. First trip abroad. First trip abroad. My first trip abroad was in South Korea. That was around April 2016. Gumawa ko ng vlogs on how to get a Korean visa. That was my first time to go abroad. Dream trip. Pangarap na trip, Korea with family. I want to explore the place again with my family. Siguro this year, guys. Pa-vlog ko na lang yung mga gagawin ko. 10. Why do you speak English in your reaction videos? The question itself is English. Joke. Why I speak English in my reaction videos? Kahit hindi ako magaling mag-English, guys. Kahit mali yung grammar ko, guys. I really need to speak in English kasi majority ng aking mga reaction videos, ang nire-react ko ng mga singers are foreign. So meaning, hindi taga-atin. So I need to speak English para din naman maintindihan nila yung taga-ibang bansa, yung mga pinagsasabi ko, kahit ulit-ulit na lang. Yun, guys. Kaya I need to speak in English. Sometimes naman magtatagalog ako pag nasa vlog lang. Pero pag reaction videos, especially kung foreigner yung mga nire-reactan ko, so I need to speak in English. Kahit konti na lang yung English ko, I need to speak in English. And back to our formal wear. On weekdays, I do my reaction videos here in the office during lunchtime. Same ito. Today is lunchtime. Lunchtime na. So ginagawa ko siya pampawala ng stress. Kasi nakakawala siya ng stress. Naka-formal attire ako. Yung mga reaction videos ko na naka-t-shirt lang ako or naka-pambahay lang. Nasa bahay ako nun, guys. Pinifilm ko siya mga around madaling araw. Tulog na lahat para walang maingay. And every Friday din naman dito sa office, pwedeng mag-t-shirt. So, nag-film din ako sometimes. Yun lang, guys. Those were the question asked to me. Top 10. And kung gusto nyo gumawa ako ng a part 2, just drop your comment down below. Any question, lahat ng question will do. I will answer it. And yun, guys. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click the subscribe button. Kung like mo this video, you like it. And yun lang, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And please watch my reaction videos and give me some likes and comment on it. Bye!